Today, we're gonna cut up this chicken. Super classic 8-cut chicken, buy it at the grocery store. This is how my mother taught me how to cut up a chicken. So today I'm gonna teach y'all. Hopefully I'll make my mama proud. So let's get to it. You need a couple knives to cut up this chicken. One is a beater knife. This is the first knife I bought, like kind of in my professional career at a very young age. I still use it. Anytime an extern comes into the kitchen and they don't have a knife right away, we let them use this knife, beater knife. You can crack through bones, not that upset about it. This is just a sharp, we call it a petty knife. So just a smaller knife. For different types of meat, I like different flexibilities. This one has a little bit of give. If you can kind of see, it's kind of wobbly, but not real flexible. We're gonna start with the wings. So I like to use gravity for me. So take that bird, kind of go below it. So underneath where you see the meat, and you'll hear it pop out. Piece number 1. Same thing, other side. So right about here, you can kind of see that there's the bones and that little chunk of meat. You just want to go right underneath there. You'll hear it disconnect. All right, second wing down. So next, we're gonna turn the chicken. I like to have it facing towards me. There's a few little pieces on the chicken. Let me show you this first. They're my favorite. I love, it's a little tail, little chicken butt. Love that. Also right here, there's these 2 muscles on the very back called the oysters. Those are the most delicious little pieces of meat, little tendrils, not tendrils, little tenders, I don't know there. So whenever you separate the thighs from the breast, what you wanna do is you wanna make sure that you leave enough skin on here to cover the breast. The thigh, I feel like you don't always have to, so make sure that you're cutting out kind of close. We're gonna use our beater knife. We're gonna come in here. I'm gonna pop this and dislocate it. And then right here, I need to carve and make sure that I get that whole oyster out. Okay, I'll come back and cut that in just a second. Same thing, other side. Remember to cut down close enough where you leave enough skin on there. And this one will be easy to see. You come around the back, right on that oyster, pop it out, super easy to dislocate it. And what we're gonna use for our beater knife right here. So right here, I'm gonna come down and I'm almost just shaving the back off of the chicken. So right here, and that's just gonna dislocate pretty easy. All you got connecting it now is the wishbone. So you got chicken back. It's gonna go in your stockpile. And then, so you're just here with this double breast. You could leave it like this and roast this piece of chicken whole like this if you'd like, but we're gonna separate it because we're doing an 8-cut chicken. Straight down the middle. So these are your white meat side. Some big ass titties right there. All right. So next piece, right here, you can kind of see how this fat kind of goes around. Right here in the middle, there's a little spot where you can separate. So you just want to go right in there. Got that, got your thighs. Let's do that one more time. You see this right here, kind of where that separates right there. Just gonna go through it. So this is our stock, chicken thighs, super yummy. Chicken legs, chicken breast, be gentle with them. Chicken wings, classic 8-cut chicken. Bye y'all.